cool if I have yet to do that. So yeah. Anyway, let's go out to the home, okay? Okay, so car number 7 on the expo wheel. Awesome. I think they know. Car number 7 is the fastest. We're doing this at nighttime. Wait, have we done the expo wheel at nighttime? No, we haven't. I'm in the middle of filming. You fucked up. What? Okay, bye. So yeah, car number 7. So now that we're talking about the Paris so do you, okay, so I've done obviously this expo and the newer one. Oh, by the way, if you guys not go check out that Formula Manufacturer video, go check that out. It'll be up in the clothes. Well, actually, no, it'll be on in the playlist. But yeah. So between this one and the new one, I mean, they're both pretty good. I like them both. Yeah. So car number 7. I don't know that it's going to be operating tonight because I think they close at 10. There's everything else inside. They're kind of going out. Pretty cool that they let me get on car number 7. So car number 7, alright, we got car number 7 on the Himalaya, car number 7 on the Concourse, and now car number 7 on the Rainforest expo. Now the next part is to get on car number 7 for the other expo. So yeah, I keep wanting to call this one the expo world, but it's Rainforest. Rainforest expo world. So yeah, it looks like the Concourse is not going to be operating tonight, but it probably will operate tomorrow.